Hey there, I'm Professor McBride, labor nurse, OB instructor, and your guide to everything OB. Let's get to it. Welcome to Everything OB Math Edition. These are the conversions and the formulas that we will primarily be using. Grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. We are going to solve a Pitocin calculation question. Our doctor has ordered oxytocin or Pitocin to infuse at 2 milliunits per minute. We're supplied with 30 units of oxytocin in 500 milliliters of normal saline. What is the milliliter per hour infusion rate? So we know that we want to give 2 milliunits per minute, and we know that we have 30 units in 500 milliliters. The first thing we're going to need to do is to convert our milliunits to units because the medication that's supplied to us is in units. Do not be intimidated by this. Milliunits is the same as milligrams or milliliters. So what we're going to do is divide by 1,000. So when we convert this, we take 2 milliunits divided by 1,000, and we find that we want to give 0.002 units per minute. Now, since we want to run our infusion in milliliters per hour, we also need to be mindful of the time since this is currently dosed in minutes. So we need to also multiply our dose by 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour. So when we take 0.002 units times 60 minutes in the hour, we find the total to be 0.12 units per hour. This is our dose. Now we know what we want, so we know what our desired is. So we can use desired over half times volume to solve. Our desired is 0.12 units. What we have is 30 units, and then our volume is 500 milliliters. And when we calculate this, we find that our infusion rate is 2 milliliters per hour. If we would like to solve this problem using dimensional analysis, the setup is a little bit different. We are going to solve for x. So x milliliters per hour, and then the rest of the formula takes into consideration the other parts of the problem. So in order to make the conversion between milliunits and units, we have 1 unit over 1,000 milliunits times 60 minutes over 1 hour, so that's going to adjust for our time, times milliunits ordered over minutes, times milliliters of solution over units. So when we plug these in, we find that our formula looks like this. We have 1 unit over 1,000 milliunits times 60 minutes over 1 hour times the number of milliunits ordered is 2, and then the minutes to give is 1, because remember we wanted to give 2 milliunits per minute. And then we multiply that by the milliliters of solution in the bag, which is 500 milliliters, over the number of units in the bag, which is 30 units. And when we calculate this out, we get the same answer of 2 milliliters per hour as our infusion rate. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share for new videos every week about everything OB. See you soon.